everyone, more kitchen hacks today. I like this one because you could get the kids involved and it's a nice, easy thing to do, crafty thing to do. So I've just got some fairly nice quality wrapping paper. I chose stars because then it's simple and plain, and we want to make it into a cone. Now I purposely did not show me cutting this paper because it is quite stiff, but there we go. Now we've got it rolling, 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 rolling. So you just want to get some tape and sticker tape that down. I feel like play school to make a cone. Now we are going to cut it because obviously that's a weird looking cone, and you've probably got a more economical paper saving tip, but as you can see I now have a cone. It's like a Christmas tree, isn't it? Well, fancy you say that. So I have a wine glass, and this is a plastic one because I thought it would be much safer to have a plastic one. Now, my favorite barbecue rub is the Mrs. Rogers Steakhouse Barbecue, and that fits perfectly in that glass. And then I'm going to pop this on and put a little like bow on the top, and it's like a little Christmas tree, and it's a good way for decorating a gift. Or you could do what we've just done with our, so these are some nuts with our cocoa on them, our cocoa powder, our Dutch cocoa powder. So we could fill some in there, and I should have dusted them off a bit more. And I also did some chocolates with red. So you can imagine that all filled to the top. Wrap it in some cellophane or just put a little cover over it. One of those reusable covers would be really good. And then you've got a Christmas tree. And yes, I found a glass. So go to the op shop, or secondhand shop, get a whole pile of different wine glasses, beer glasses, wine glasses, as long as it's got a stem on it, and make these really cute little centerpieces for your table with surprises in them. Or a really novel way of packaging your Christmas gifts this year. See you later.